You're welcome to Remit Forex Academy. In today's video, I'll be looking at USDJPY, EURUSD, and USDCAD. What you should expect in the next week of trading, and this weekly wrap-up is going to be very brief and also very important. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex video and technical analysis. And right here on the USD JPY chart, we see a massive drop to the downside, and right here market is beginning to regain strength to the upside in favor of the US dollars. But something very important, market moved significantly this week, all the way from this very area on Monday up to this very point, and right here we see retracement. What I am expecting as we resume next week of trading is the market to pull back, that is a little move, just very insignificant move to the downside, and then the market is going to pick up to the upside. So I'm expecting that the market come into this very area of important supply. So there's a very strong supply zone at this very area right here, if you know how to spot out the supply zones on the chart. So I'm expecting the market to move into this area, and from this very point we experience the market pull back again before continuation possibly. And I'm going to also update you on what to do on this very chart. So for USDJPY, as we resume next week of trading, expect this market to move upward. That is my expectation. Market should move into this very area of important resistance. And on EURUSD, we discovered that USD have been gaining strength against the euro for about 2 weeks now. Okay, so from this very area, you see market move all the way down to this very point. So this week USD gained much strength, even last week as well. But right now I am expecting a retracement on this very chart, because the market don't move down forever. We already know that, but one thing need to happen on this chart, which is a break of this very level of important resistance. So this resistance right here is very important. So market should break out on this very zone of resistance. Once we see that breakout, the market is going to move to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting right now on this very chart. Expect the market to move to the upside after a breakout of this very level of resistance on EURUSD. So expect the market to move up after this breakout. And lastly, on EuroCAD, if you look at EuroCAD, the market have been going right down all the way from here to the downside for 2 weeks plus. Okay, and right now if you look at the market is at this very level of important support. So market move all the way from here to the upside into this very level of resistance and come back into the same level. What I'm also expecting is this market to find its way back to the upside. So market should begin to move from here upward, and the resistance you must have to pay attention to know that the market have started moving upward is a breakout on this very level of resistance right here. So once the market move up and break out on this very level of resistance, expect the market to continue this movement upward before continuation again to the downside. This is what I'm expecting right now on EuroCAD. Very importantly, this market must break on this level of resistance before we can see that move to the upside. So your main focus should be a breakout on this level of resistance before taking a buy position to the upside on EuroCAD. This is what you should expect right now on EuroCAD, EURUSD, and USDJPY. If you find value in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And also check the channel for other forex videos. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.